In this video, we have how to fix the GeForce Experience Error Code 0x0003. So first we need to go to run and click service.msc. In this, we are going to restart Nvidia services. So click Nvidia display container ls and once again refresh and restart it. Yes. And after, go to Nvidia frame view and refresh and start, and go to Nvidia local system container and refresh and restart it. Yes. After completing this, close it. And the second method, we are going to enable Nvidia. So go to services and same go to Nvidia. Yes, in this scroll down and go to Nvidia. Yes, and click properties, and in this go to log on and click allow services. Yes, and apply it and click OK. And after, in this we are going to reinstall the Nvidia drivers. So go to run and write appwiz.cpl, okay, and click OK. And after, need to uninstall all the Nvidia program. All the Nvidia program need to uninstall, and after uninstalling, restart the PC, and after that go to official Nvidia website and download again. So this is permanently and completely solve this issue. So this is the last. So uninstall and after reinstall in website, official website. Thank you.